Let me show you a simple example involving a mouse over in HTML canvas. It's also something that we might need when we explore game development using canvas. At first we'll create a circle object. Then we create a function to draw the circle. Let me just call the function to check if I made typos. I definitely missed the fill. And here's a typo, it's fill style. Let me try again. And now it works, so it's red. It's in center of our canvas, radius 30. I get rid of the draw function, and now we'll set up our mouse over. At first I'll create a flag. Is mouse over circle, set it to false. Now we'll create the event listener. And if the mouse is over, we want to have it set to true. And then the circle should be green. So let me take care of the mouse over first. Don't forget to draw your canvas, or otherwise it won't work. For the mouse out, we want to have almost the same, but is mouse over circle should be false, fill color red. And I need to change this parameter right here. So we've got our mouse over and mouse out covered. Finally, we need to define our draw canvas function. We've used that already. And basically it should clear the rectangle so that we start with blank canvas and then draw the circle, or simply call the draw circle function. And finally, we need to initially draw our canvas. We could also just draw the circle, but we have this function, so why not use it? Let me refresh it, and here it is. And every time I move my mouse into the canvas, the color of the circle changes. But what if we want to have that effect when we want to have a mouse over effect specifically for the element, so our circle, instead of the canvas? We can keep a couple of functions or a couple of things that we've already coded here. We can keep the circle object, our canvas, the flag, the function for drawing the circle, the function for drawing the canvas. This is all fine, but we'll need to adjust our event listener. And for that we'll use the Mousemove. We have to define X and Y. X has its bounding to the left, so the X scale has its lowest value on the left hand side. And the Y dimension has its lowest value on the top, so Y in canvas goes from top to bottom. Then we'll have to calculate the distance between the mouse pointer and our circle. And we can use a square plus b square equals c square. I already went over this in detail when I created our simple canvas game. You can find it in my HTML canvas playlist. It's a multi-part series. And you want to check the collision part where I've explained this a little bit in detail. As I've said there, in Germany we call it Pythagoras. That's the name of the old ancient mathematician. We use that here and then store c² in distance. And now we use distance to check if our mouse pointer is over the circle center. So if distance smaller or equal to circle.radius, we'll change our is mouse over circle variable to true. Then we'll change the fill color to green and we'll have to draw the canvas. And else mouse over circle should be false, fill color red. Finally, we have to draw the canvas once more. Let me check. This part should be inside of our event listener, so I need these brackets and put them down here. And there's still a typo. It's obviously draw canvas, not draw dot canvas. My bad here. I need to fix that. But now it works. As I've said, we'll need this for later game development, so try to understand it. This uses basically Mousemove, not just mouse over and mouse out, but it's the same principle. And once again, we use that for future games that we might want to develop using HTML Canvas. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.